Very soon, the latter political party is coming, so we're going to get ready to vote for us in the nearest future, right? Now, as you can see, this is the project in Auda. I want to show you the update of this project. This is why you must vote us. There's no government project that is better than what we have done here with the amounts that we have spent. Government will collect way more. How much did Burna Boy bring? The budget for this right now, we have spent 190 million naira. Well documented. Every penny that was spent will be accounted for. Every penny, 190 million. And it's just remaining small touches and we are done. You will see everything. So this is the blessing at the school clinic with this. See the door. We did not use substandard products here. If you zoom out, may they see everything. Because I did not hold the key. I came when there's nobody working, so that I will know what they have been doing. Check the quality of the job done. Look at the tiles. Check the quality. Now, these are other classrooms. You people remember how it was before. This whole center that you are seeing bushing, this is their football field. This is the football field for the kids. This whole fence you are seeing around this place, we did the fence. We did the fence. You understand? Credibility, you cannot buy it with money. That's why I beat my chest to tell you that when it comes to integrity, I know they use and play. Not everybody, Burna Boy, will give them money where I go do this thing like this with standard. Like I said, government, show me any government school that is better than what we have done here. I'll wait. Show me. Let's see. Burna Boy say, VDM, take charge. Take charge. A school in my community, they are crying. No. I will fund it. Take charge. I trust you to do it. And here we are. Come, see standard. See standard. Do me small, not do it. Let us see the wall. So this place, we go design Burna Boy face, put for here. We go put lights. Burna Boy face go there. We go put lights. Standard building. See the flowers. Here you can see. They lost it. But come. This should be GS1 and GS2. I think so. See the ceiling. Take note of the ceiling. See the doors, please. Take note of the doors. Take note of the doors. The whole fence. All these grass will be cleared when we are done. Come. This is their bathrooms. I don't have the key, obviously, because nobody knew I was coming. The wiring, well done. Look at the roof. Like I said, there's no government school in this country that can beat what we have done here. There's no government school. Meanwhile, the people that collect government school projects, they will collect way more. Bro, we did this whole fence around this school. The whole fence. The whole fence, we did it. Not just that. All these things, we broke it down and we started raising this building again. School, clinic, staff quarters there being done. We'll bring that one down. This is Burna Boy's community. It's local government rather. His own village is Ogulu. So this is Mojoku. See the toilet again. This is another toilet again. Project try. I don't tell you when we register our rattle party, political party, get ready. Get ready to know where you are voting. Let the old men carry governor. Let them chop other one. When the time reach, you must give us local government. We want to just be directly affecting the people's life. You must give us. It's a must. That's where we are starting from. The rest people can have it. Now that look, see the chairs. To the side. Put down chairs. Wait, Mark here. Try now. Chairs. They don't put chairs. Proper standard. See ceiling fan. Come. Get on. They don't say who they come. See ceiling fan. See ceiling fan. Compare them to what you can't do that day. That nonsense is well come see here. Give me the first. They come. See standard.
How many weeks?
See standard. Then as you can see there, that's the staff quarters. These are old staff quarters will be brought down. So this should be the clinic, and that's the staff quarters. Then all this place, this land is their football field. Then here will be like parking area, but they have their football field so that they can be doing their sports. Lately, our children know they do sport again. All those inter-house sports don't die. All those inter-house sport settings don't die. They don't kill them. You know, they again. Check the fence. Cartel movement, credibility 100%. If you play, you're gonna learn, you will learn the hard way. Get ready. Like I said, this is what I brag with. You understand? And this is what any of them in the media cannot brag with. You cannot tell me you give somebody that amount of money and then they will do it without taking a penny. One Naira I've not taken from those projects, God bear me witness, because I don't need it for anything. I want to see Nigeria grow, and this is Nigeria I want. In the nearest future, like I said, we'll be taking charge. Don't register our political party, local government's chairman. That's what we want. So let the old men in power know today. We don't want something big. Let's start with where we affect the people's lives, you know, 100%. So that one soon. School is resuming in September. I mean, anyway, this not like this project now like 3 months. Don't be around end of April. No, you don't pass it. April, May, June, July, August. I think we are going to the 4th month now. My brother, I greet you specially. How you see our work now? How you see our work? I know say that time I will come, you don't believe saying I will want to do with this. You did your face now, you don't believe now. No, you don't believe. You don't believe that time. Okay, now the clinic with this, eh? Yes. Okay, yeah, so this is the clinic. So that means the other place is still a classroom. The other place now the admin. Yeah, this is the classroom. This is the clinic. This is the clinic. So this clinic will not only be used by the school, it's going to be a community clinic. As you can see, clinic rooms. I'll show you. It's like the toilet. Yeah. Toilet. Very good. This will be a ward.
Yeah, the toilet again.
Ward and toilet.
Sorry. Okay.
You are very proud.
Yeah.
We don't shut down order. Also, now they pray for Burna Boy.
Yeah, right.
When I pray for Burna Boy, you know, say, yeah, no, Burna Boy village.
No.
A village now, Ogulu.
Yeah.
But it's still one for Odioku.
Yeah.
But I still local government.
Toilet again and toilet.
The toilet. Yeah, you are happy. You are smile. See my call, go. I like that. So this is my office.
Yeah. For doctor.
Okay, it's been a doctor.
Yeah, for your card. Yeah,
So,
what's in area?
Very soon. We'll finish this one. Yeah. So in the next, maybe give or take 1 month's time.
Okay.
I know that school they resume in September.
Why not bring the key so that you open the class?
You hold the key?
Yeah, it's with me.
Oh yeah, bring the key now. Pause the video, maybe.
If this message brought you value, help us reach more people. Subscribe, say message to communities.